be from Nsawam. Now, o say Nsawam na ye medium prison place ye hardened criminals e ho na ye obokokoshe. Obi a opeso ye defrauding kofo. In fact, about 70% of defrauding kofo ni na free Nsawam prisons.
Cyber fraud
ni na free Nsawam prison. O ho no na wate. Hey, o sister ni o landing. And I find him kwesi he. They are all from Nsawam. I am telling you for a fact. In fact, this one, yes, me na me bo me trimu aka. Nsawam na most at times we spend me times in our Nsawam because I want me design and the war. It be call hono mo a me opportunity name pay for ni be interactive. Now, ope baby you turn the friend say drugs are harmful to human health Nsawam na bejano. Nsawam prisons.
Fact.
I am telling you, you can just cross check, you can do every research be PBR. In fact, so open drugs, say cocaine or say weed or say whatever, any level of drugs. Okwa botisun wa nya bia, cause wo mo benya bi wo ho. If I don't come Kumasi prisons kwa benya bi wo ho. I am being honest with you right now because unim ye nuanom ne ye namfofo no ne ye busuafo no mo gu prisons ho no no. Eye correction stage. Yes, we are di boni nti efa nkoto afiase na ye correct o na oba biemu a we be ya body foforo but you see all the omoko prisons are most of them ekoba e be ye hardened criminals bisa who say ba ne say and a prisoner any so use phone or to be yes cyber fraud.
So that is the point.
Any so use phone
but on your access to phone,
on your access me as I speak with you now me work for free me free so own prisons so we inmate for
our mo frel on what?
I'm not frel ebi ho mo ase o opesika ya de. Ebi ho mo ase na busu yesem issue bi say na asi. Ebi ho mo a ye contract mo ko di bone e wa bonten asa so ba.
Hey, but that is a serious statement.
Oh, look, I am telling you me ti hanu na make us asem way.
So no me bo. Yeah, omutimi free.
Omu free abonten, omu free inside. E pie ba bonten e ko di bone. Esa so ko inside the biem. Nati nipa ntumi anya access to phone. Atimi aye cyber fraud. Afro obi akacho say, wa confess wa mo akacho so, unua bi ogusu bi ababedi e friend say temaport no whatever. Watumi confess wa mo asane sika de mana. Die bi no ntumi nye. Abrani so obi kwa so.
Ehode metima ka say but say opia babonti. That is serious level.
Look, I am telling you say most of our inmates epie ba monte ebe ye niam hunu esaso ko back.
No, ebasa. Then it means that
okay, my me say one question.
Yeah, koso ho no
very deadly.
This is a serious statement I will make you.
No, let me ask you to that me fa see asem na ye kan so. Let me ask you one question. Ebane saying ena obi a oye inmates a oye prisoner. Say you remand no say whatever. Oye inmates etimi access to hard drugs. Yento wi wo ho, yento cocaine wo ho, yento any level of tramadol wo ho no mo. E ba the sign na nipa na wo prison ho no mo, enya access to those things. So when pia mama ntia ba beto be se enya. E na why the man is scam and kokoto sa de no. Adwuma be na oye onya sa sika no e de kokoto sa ne ma no. Hwe omo a most at times MTN fraudsters ne other telecommunications for fraudsters ni na no about 70-80% of them are from Nsawam prisons and for that matter other prisons here that e Ghana ha no say because okay the largest prisons are e ha no say Nsawam ne possibly be Kumasi or something. Now sanya mana e koso no ho it is not as if they don't know. It is not as if they don't know.
No, but you see they are working.
Yeah.
Then it means that there were a lot of things I say share beyond Omoda Honey. Yeah, because some of the some of the things are
I am telling you.
Especially that statement I will make
yes. Yeah, free inside.
That is serious.
Abu free inside. Eba bonting. And I've given you a typical example. Say, oh, yento wi ho. But if you find chemi, I mean, we just want to make it raw for you to have a better understanding. Yento wi ho. Yento cocaine ho. Yento tramadol ho no. But opesa nema ni bi ope original correct one pa na ko ho no benya biato ko prison so benya biato. I am being honest with you, I'm being real with you because you see at the point this time around no mama yen defend nema na ye massage nyema na ye ka say oh ye the say ya ebe ye. Let us be real with the system. See, per se ye change party. Let us be real with the system and effect a positive change. Because most of them, they don't come back as a reformed people. They come back as hardened criminals. Omoba, ena, obojuma na no ye ne nche dem ko prisons. Omoba mbe ni ye pa.
Of course, they be there obenye bi banyo munyina.
Oh, I'm not saying
Ebimuba reformed.
Absolutely.
Yes. Ebimuba reformed.
I mean, no way. Make us say omunyina. No, it is not all of them.
Ebimuba reformed.
Most of them. Eba. I mean, you will see say, ade papa ya ade oye serious, victim. You see, we've had a lot of instances where enema bone started say ba. E say to me so ano ne so ano yie. O ko sa one prisoner wo ho. E sa wo na ka say na town. Let's situate that fact. A very nice community. But prisoner wo mu no na ma amansa wo ma gidin. Ura ho no mo a. Image omo ho no mo. Enyuma omo de omo ye nasefo ni na no. Most of them they don't even go out. But we so mo pia na it is for a serious business.
No, but let's put that one on record to say inmates AP.
Yes, inmates AP.
Yes, inmates AP. Omo pie when e wo say ye do omo koye adwuma bi.
It's a
when I was here, don't call you Juma. A part of almost sentence.
Okay.
As in with hard labor.
Yes.
And for that matter, you do bad one thing when o sentence no ya bang.
Okay.
Na bia o be pia bontia.
Okay.
You do bad one thing be ye Juma. Say you do kopra. You do of course you who be war. Dumni other areas. In fact, ye be no more, ye be more kwa kokodru, e be a dra. Say omunfuo ni ade a omo ye no. Ye do mo kokoye.
Yeah.
Enti inmates at a point.
Yeah.
Ye do mo ba bonte for official duties.
It's almost the drugs at all.
So as in official duties there.
Okay.
Ye do mo ba be.
Okay.
But as you say obi be sneaky commit another crime there.
No.
That is serious.
So anytime omuko bia no, omuko bonti bia for any official duty bia.
Ebiana wuni hard evidence. Maybe
we are talking. We are having a conversation on this.
Ebiana wuni hard evidence. No, maybe let me put this one here.
Okay. Odekasa.
But inmates AP. Inmates AP. You do mo be here adwuma. Na say na anu a na ye kan ejoso asem yi. Ye kan ejoso issue ya. Omo call hospital a na inmates obi na the inmate on mo akoye adwuma omo ba na omo beto accident so and omo pick omo victims no na omo call hospital. In this case yes inmate AP. That one we have evidence say inmates ye do omo ye official adwuma edu baby amount for apply.
Okay, so the
and
question
because now prisons PRO regional PRO ba han or say man for to me apply say we want to engage prison service say adwuma we aye yi e be say mo ba be boy and e ba sa wo mo nkrofo mo ye mason for ne ade mo koye adwuma sika no back to the prison service and no there we know for a fact but for someone sneaking so commit crime as abade
let's
I'm not sure say we have
no
we have enough evidence.
Let's interrogate this issue
to substantiate or to support what we are saying.
Let's interrogate this issue. Na yenya a better understanding of it. Number one, omo pie montia so omo from some worders, right?
Yes, worders, yeah.
Omo ka omo ho edeko. Okay. Now, have you ever had any instance when ya a distress call or something ever prison ho no bi aka cho so okay, ha you smoke wo ha ye say wo ha ye say wo.
On definitely on can. Min ti bi da.
Opa wa home. For the purpose of this discussion, open before lines na cast prisoners for one and free. Now find out how Muslims phone cry the free. That one is a start. I have had an interview. Remember me Trimun Kasem our radio so. I have had an interview with prison officers, and they will give you that revelations. And some of them, they are you see. Omo ni sa tumi na be catch us say yasaso atu unfie mu. No. This yasaso do come back to cause say boni say no wedi. Of course. You mo ni sa tumi ntie wo ye chewa na yasande wakwakoto because omo dey hwe omo so keke. Now I have had interviews with senior prison officers and they will give you these revelations. But of course, most of them, they are not allowed to come out
but
to
speak.
But
in this case, okay. If Sani Pano, we also push him to confirm the Ukraine, or deny.
Oh, no. You see, they will not even mention the person's name.
That's what I'm saying. So deny.
Nipa na ya catch and say, nipa na was sneaky ama ya kwakwache no no. Yeah, money dear for the Ukraine to ja. What I say? So it is something that ye kata no kra so, near for bone so. Ye kata no kra so near for bone so. Because se nanka nipa na ye bone. And then na kwakwato prison say on a certain particular time. Na make sure so be bad no a reformed person. But nipa kra no be so akwakoye bone bi. Because look, one, the cyber fraud is a very serious crime.
Of course.
You're committing people have been victims of circumstances. Number two, omo turn drugs, and I say omo dealing with drugs, heavy drugs, hardened drugs. Oko prisons are any other honomo. Ask yourself, about the send to me where prisons honomo. Are you telling me say prison officers for the tongue and I said omo no mutimi find your way ekonya those drugs. In any case, anytime bia be who prisoners and amonti so bia no your office will do omochi me boa. So at what point eno munya access to those drugs? At what point eno munya access to those drugs? They get them through their own means. E kwamba so mo fa so munya no. Yes bia onen dey kwa no office na ka che say bia for hada kokoto drugs in brother say ko yesi na fa bra. No, they will not allow that. In here look, some of these truths and they hard to believe and they hard to also understand. But the reality is that Nyama Ekosu Ewo prison service no, it is worse off. 87.9 and just 1 out of 10 issues near can say. But most of the crimes and committing become victims of circumstances in our country. Most of them every prisons. And the case study is our own prisons. And I have told you, say, you need some senior officers be able prisons. We've had an encounter with them. And I will tell you for a fact, say, most of these things are happening right there. It's him. I don't know if it is Mutakado person, yes, I don't know. Yes. I start to be corrected. Our person in such a way, say, Nsawam, especially maybe a prison yard home like that catchment area now. Who you network crampona because udu one man and to say who you empty na udu one myself network netiko because most of the inmates they have access to their phones.
That one is confirmed.
When they hear calls and the bullet
that is confirmed because some calls are and make us say penny be frame say people call from prisons to demand sika omo send omo afford messages by phone so near ebinim wo ho